everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to show you how to tone your arms with absolutely no equipment. So maybe you're at home and you don't know how to tone your arms, you have no equipment, you have no access to a gym. This video is perfect for you. Make sure you hit subscribe at the end of this video and leave me a comment down below. Okay, let's get started. You're just going to take some nice deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, roll the shoulders backwards and down. So you want to roll the shoulders all the way around behind yourself, and then from here, opposite way round forwards. So you're getting that opposite contraction all the way around. Then I want you to bring the hands and take a little circle round, circle round, circle round. So you're swinging the hands over the top of the head, and then you're going to swing them all the way back. It feels super great in the morning. It's the morning time. It feels great to do this through the shoulders and the arms. Just give me 2 more circles. And 1. From here, we're just going to take a little bit of a warm up. Bring the feet wider than the hips. Turn out the legs. And then from here, palms towards the front. We're going to take a drop down, lift up, drop down, lift up. Go sink, lift. As you drop down to the floor, turn the palms forwards. Drop, lift. Really important here. The most important thing about this exercise, do not let the knees cave in. You want to make sure your knee is tracking over the top of the middle toe. Sink down, lift up, dropping the hip all the way down to the floor, really waking up the legs. 3, go drop, lift up. 7 more of these. 6 more, get the heart rate up. 5, lift up. 4 more, you've got it. 3, lift. 2, lift. Last one. Then from here, all you're going to do is turn your toes forward. So now the feet are in a parallel position. Bend through the knees, hinge the body forward. You're going to tap to one toe, and then you're going to change over, tap to the other. Go tap, but you're going to pick up the pace here. Tap. This opposite hand goes up to the ceiling, unless of course you have any injuries through the shoulders. You can always just reach across the body. Tap, tap, tap. Keep the tailbone nice and low. Again, you're warming up the arms. You are warming up the legs, the whole of the body. Getting that heart rate high. Tap. Reach, reach. 10 seconds. 9, 8, you got it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring yourself to the edge of your mat, of your towel, whatever you're working with. And then you're going to walk the hands all the way down into an inchworm. Bring the hands under the shoulders. Hold. Walk the hands back in. Bend through the knees. Slowly roll yourself all the way up. Walk the hands all the way down. Into a plank. All the way back in. Now remember your plank. You want one nice straight line from the crown of your head all the way down towards your heels. Back in again. We've got 2 more of these to go. You've got it. Heart rate should be up by now. Hold the plank. Walk back in. You've got 1 more. Roll down. Hold the plank position. And you're going to give me just 10 seconds here. Go 9. Go 8. 7 seconds. 6. Squeeze the navel in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. The body should be nice and warm. And now we're going to move into your main exercises here. You're going to start by pressing the forearms down to the floor. You want a number 11 with your hands, and then tuck the toes under. Press the feet all the way backwards. Bring yourself into a gorgeous plank position. From the crown of the head to the heels is nice and straight. You want to zip up that waistline. Pull the belly button to your spine. Close the ribs together. Breathe in. Breathe out. Exhale away. Now this class is all about toning up your arms. So we're going to work into your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Take a little gentle rock forwards. Push all the way back. If you can't do that, you're either going to hold a 4-round plank like at the beginning, and if you're struggling with a 4-round plank, you can always take this option, bring it onto the knees. If you're sticking with me, do not drop those knees down. Rock forwards, all the way backwards. Inhale, exhale, rock forwards. If you're feeling strong today, you're used to doing planks, there is always a really super advancement here. Inhale, drop the shoulders to the hands, press, and all the way backwards. You can either take that option or just keep rocking with me. You've got 3 more here to go. And rock backwards. You've got it. 2 more here to go. Rock all the way back. 1 more, let the shoulders burn. Now rock back and hold. Shoulders over the top of the elbows. Squeeze the navel in. To make it more intense, pull your glutes together. Pull your inner thighs together. I need to close my eyes right now because it's burning so much. 10 seconds here. Go 9, 8, we're gonna rest in 7, in 6, you've got it, 5, don't drop out, 4, 3, 2, 1, well done. Really quick child's pose, reach the hands forward. Roll yourself all the way up, in towards a push-up set. So, you wanna bring your hands, first of all, under the shoulders. Now bring the knees backwards. You want to come onto the fleshy part of your thighs. I want none of this, none of this. You want to come into the fleshy part of your thighs, and you've got one straight line from the crown of the head down to the knees. Squeeze the navel in. Now walk the hands a tiny bit wider than your shoulders. If you have a mat, they come into the edge of the mat. Breathe in. Exhale, bring the elbows just behind yourself and squeeze all the way up and lift. Now it doesn't matter how low you go, as long as you have that correct form. All the way down, squeeze up and lift. You want to really make sure those elbows don't flare out to the side, all the way up and lift. Again, you do not have to get as low as I'm going. You can always just bring it into a tiny 1 inch to the floor and squeeze all the way up and lift. Now this should really get into those arms. This is a game changer. This is where you're gonna make the change that you want. Squeeze up and lift. Now don't let the body collapse as you drop down. Keep pulling the waistline in, engaging the abs. All the way down. If you can feel this in the lumbar spine, you might be sticking your glutes out like a duck. So make sure, try and tuck the tailbone under, zip everything up nice and tight. You've got 5. You can so do this all the way down. Squeeze, press up and lift. You've got 4 more here to go. Down to the floor, let those arms burn, all the way up and lift. You've got 2 more here to go. Down to the floor, press up and lift. Now this one, I want you to bend the elbows behind yourself, press the chest to the floor. Then you want to get to your lowest point. Close your eyes, little presses, down, 10, 9, let the arms bend, 7, 6, you got it, 5, 4, push back in 3, 2, 1, well done. Lower your hips all the way into your heels. Give yourself a little shoulder roll round, shoulder roll round. We're now going to go for some tricep dips. So you've toned up the front of the arms into the chest. You're now going to work into the back of your arms into those triceps. Bring the feet to the floor. Fingertips towards your heels. Do not let your hands twist out. Bring the fingertips to the heels. Press the feet to the floor. Now lift the hips up and away. I want you to bring the eye line forwards. Press the chest forwards. Lift the hips up and away. Then we're going to bend the elbows, press. Bend, press, down, lift. So the weight needs to be nice and equal between your hands and your feet. If you want it modified, you can rock the weight forwards. If you want it more advanced, bring the weight backwards. Keep bending and pressing. And if you really can't do this, keep the tailbone down, lift. If you're with me up there, don't drop out, lift, bend, press. You've got it. 5, lift up. 4 more, bend those elbows. 3, you've got 2. Last one. Now from here, inhale in. Exhale, I want you to bend the elbows and you're gonna hold here. Burn the back of the arms and give me 10 seconds. 9, you've got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, bit lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself all the way down, send the fingertips together, give yourself a little roll, we are not done yet. Bring the hands onto the thighs, give yourself a shoulder roll round, shoulder roll round. Sweep the feet behind yourself. Take a downward dog, tuck the toes under, heels to the floor, hips high. Walk the hands into the feet, little bend through the knees, roll yourself all the way up. You're now going to come into your standing segment here of your workout, focusing on your arms. Give yourself a little shoulder roll round. Bend through the knees, feet underneath the hips, take a bend. Then I want you to bring your elbows into the waistline, the hands come out into a V. Reach one hand, out, in, out, in. So you want to imagine you're holding something here in your palms. We go for a reach, in, go reach, squeeze. If you look down at your arms here, every time they come in, they should make the letter V. Out, in, out, in. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale, get oxygen into the body. And in we go, out, in. Press out, press in. Now we're gonna go both, squeeze in, both and squeeze. So those hands both reach out in front of yourself. And it's really important here to also pull the belly button in, engage your abdominals. Roll the shoulder blades backwards and down. Go reach and squeeze. I'm gonna get you burn through those arms without needing any weights at all. We go reach and in, go reach. Now gets a tough bit. We go out, in, little cardio. As we go out, in. The whole time, do not let your shoulder blades creep up to the ears. Keep rolling them backwards and down. Go out, in, you've got it. Little cardio burst, you have just 10, 9, we are not done. In 7, in 6, hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Keep the hands out there. Fingertips are in line with your shoulders. Now you're gonna push the palms backwards, squeeze all the way back. Bring the palms forwards, shoot the hands in front of yourself. Twist, push all the way back, forwards, bring it all the way back. Twist, push, forwards, squeeze, twist, push. Now as you bring the hands forwards and backwards here, imagine you're pressing something heavy away. Out, squeeze, forwards, in, rotate, squeeze back, forwards, squeeze. We've got 5 more here to go. Are you burning it? I definitely am. Out, back, forwards, squeeze. 3 more, push, forwards, squeeze, just 2, rotate, push, rotate, forward, 1 more, push, rotate. Now bring the hands all the way forward. I know you really don't like me right now, but you're going to get those arms you always dreamed of. They're getting lean, they're getting long. Inhale in, exhale away. You're going to bend right arm, left arm, bend right, bend left. I'm going to go side on so you can see what I'm doing, but don't drop out. We go bend, reach, bend, reach, bend, reach. So you've got a little bend through the elbows, reach those hands forwards. Let's tone up those arms. We go bend, press, bend, reach. Just 10, 9, 8, 7, you got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Extend those arms. Now rotate, turn the palms backwards. Now squeeze the hands all the way behind yourself. I know it's good. You want that little tiny finger, little pinky, up to the ceiling. Roll the shoulders backwards and down. Are you ready for that finisher off? You're gonna take a little lift, lift, lift. So the palms are behind yourself. You're pressing your little finger up to the ceiling here, and it should burn. The finger goes up and up. We go squeeze, lift to the ceiling, lift. You have just the final. Stay in. 10, 9, 8 more here. Go 7, go 6. You have it. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the hands down. Give yourself a little shoulder roll. Take a well-deserved stretch. Right hand across the chest. Left arm pulls it in. Bring the head to the side. Change it up. Left hand across the chest. Right arm loops under. Head goes to the side. Bring the hands behind the back. Interlace fingertips. Press the chest forward. Extend the arms. Lift the hands to the ceiling and breathe in. Breathe out. Exhale away. Let the muscles recover. Drop the hands down, 2 little shoulder rolls round, 2 little shoulder rolls round. And well done in your arm workout today. Your arms should be aching. Mine definitely are. Thank you for joining me on TaylorToned today. If you want more workouts, head back to my YouTube homepage and I have plenty of workouts on there. I have ab focus workouts, thigh focus workouts. I've got warm up, cool down. Anything you want is going to be on that YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more workout videos, nutritional advice and special recipes including gluten-free and nut-free. Any questions or comments, pop me a little comment down below. I will see you all very soon.